When you're looking to implement a manufacturing system for your mid-size business, a budget of 15 lakh is suitable for quite most of the applications which are available in the market. But it's not necessary that all these solutions are actually same. They may not give the best results and may depend on your culture as well as the efficiency and the result by which it can come out and bring the results to you. In this particular video, we are going to see that what will happen, what kind of solution will be suitable if you have a budget of approximately 15 lakhs for your manufacturing year. Our focus is on Odoo, Oracle's NetSuite for this particular video. We are going to compare these solutions and see how or which one suits us the best. With respect to manufacturers, what they are exactly looking for are primarily efficient systems, but they need ERP for a specific reason. One of the key reasons being that the ERP systems are breaking. There is no option to move away from ERP systems. They need ERP systems, so they are no longer optional. And of course, at this point of time, the right choice matters because you are looking for a long-term solution. To ensure, these ERPs should provide purchase and vendor control system, inventory management system, so that inventory and accurate inventory is maintained at all times. Planning of the production as well as machine planning is also available, and cost visibility throughout the system is available at all points of time. We are comparing Odoo and Oracle, as I earlier mentioned. Odoo is primarily a modular and flexible ERP system which can grow and also has add-on a lot of modules. While Oracle NetSuite is enterprise cloud ERP system which is extremely feature rich and deployed globally across various industries across the globe. But from a complexity point of view, the price tag is a bit too much. Both platforms are capable, and we'll see which one is the right fit for you. If we look at the budget, which is currently set at 15 lakhs, it can behave differently across platforms. If you are looking at the licensing fees, Odoo may range around 2 to 4 lakhs. NetSuite may go almost double or maybe more than double. Implementation cost for Odoo also lies between 4 to 8 lakhs for medium complex projects. In NetSuite, it can again go back to 10 to 20 lakh range depending on the complexity. Customization capability in Odoo is too much, so it's quite flexible. While NetSuite is already structured, but hence that's why it becomes costly to customize it further. With respect to annual maintenance cost, which is generally a percentage of the overall implementation cost, thus becomes lower, and NetSuite always remains high. Effectively, Odoo's cost across a 1 year timeline will be between 10 to 15 lakh, while NetSuite can easily grasp between 25 to 30 lakhs. Essentially saying that in reality, the 15 lakh budget cannot be matched by NetSuite at all. NetSuite will typically need much more than that, and Odoo fits right into the 15 lakh budget. With respect to Odoo and NetSuite, if you see what is the timeline with respect to implementation, you will also see that Odoo scores higher than that. Be it discovery or setup, be it configuration or training, be it development, new customizations, and of course go live and handholding for adaptation of the solution to the users. With respect to capability, also NetSuite and Odoo are not different from each other. However, since Odoo being at a lower price band delivers the same value, it definitely scores higher over NetSuite here. Also, the simplicity in Odoo with respect to the systems and interface makes it more attractive to a user compared to NetSuite. A major challenge with most ERP systems lies in the fact that ERP systems are implemented, but the team is not motivated enough. And that's why Odoo scores higher here because of the user-friendly interface and for simplicity in adoption process. With respect to scalability as well, Odoo becomes the right fit because you can start small with one plant or one company, one portfolio, and slowly and steadily you can grow grow it to a large scale business as well for the software. Since ERP is a long term investment and not a one shot decision, I would strongly recommend to look at the 3-year total cost of ownership for Odoo as well as NetSuite. Odoo will roughly range around 20 lakhs over a 3-year cycle, and it gives a strong return on investment with all the capabilities. While NetSuite will easily cross 45 to 50 lakhs over the same period of cycle. Finally, I feel Odoo becomes the right sized or the right budget ERP to fit your organization because it is a better fit in terms of features, deployment, and the maintenance aspect. It has lower cost barriers so that it can bring more efficiency and more return of investment. Plus, faster implementation essentially means not waiting long days or months together to see the impact. At this point, I advise that you evaluate your current system and the return on investment, and you can connect with us to understand more about Odoo's manufacturing module or how it can deliver value to you. That's all for this video. Thank you very much.